It's amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hello, buddies. This is the Hungry Intelligent Block Machine Company. And today we have already finished testing the QT6-15 concrete hollow block making machine, which was purchased by the Jamaica Big Boss. The Jamaica Big Boss. And you can see now, this one the block stacking machine, and try to stacking the blocks well. And now you can see it can lead 3 pellets at one time, and also we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe four different stories for curing. Okay, so what you can see now, the blocks. You know why? You know why so many customers prefer to buy a huge compressor hydraulic block machine compared with the small one? It's just because the huge concrete block making machine can provide you a more huge compressor and a more huge vibration force. So that's why you can see the concrete blocks was produced out from this machine. It's so perfect, so wonderful. What you can see now, even the material you can see, even the material we took use for testing is with the big size of the gravel, but you can feel the side surface of the blocks is very sharp. It's very sharp and smooth, right? So that means if you can get such a good block machine, try to set up a block factory and produce those so beautiful blocks. So you can imagine how attractive for your customer when to buy your blocks compared with going another block factory. You understand? Yeah. And what you can see now, we try to produce again for the blocks. Yes. Hey, it's amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, there's no material. Yeah, this time the material is lack, right? It's lack. Over here is the lack of the material, no problem. But this one, see, if this area the material is enough, you see the blocks is produced so beautiful. This one's material is a lack of material, and just like this pellets, right? This pellet. Wow. Hey, this looks very good. It looks very great. And also you can see this design is how to see is a special design by the Jamaica market. They require us to design a half groove for the blocks, right? Hey, very beautiful. Anyway, anyhow, if the buyers try to produce the wonderful quality of the blocks, it's necessary for them to consider about to buy the big block machine like this particular model, QT6, right? QT6, this one QT6. Every part looks strong. Every part looks strong. It's more strong. Okay. Wow. Even the mode, you see, even the block mode, you can see the thickness of the head mode, right? The thickness of head mode. We use the magnesium steel to fabricate it, and also we use the heat treatment technology to to give the special treatment to the mold. So the mold life like this one, this part of the head mode, head location, the head parts will last a long time. Compared with the normal steel. And even you can check this one, the original color, right? The natural color of the steel. You see, it looks very perfect luxury, yeah. And even the mold, you see the mold, the head mold thickness of the steel, we take use very strong and very thick. I want to show you our welder location. You see, the welding path location. The advantage for the welder, you have to make sure the parts of the welder location should be thick enough and stable and even. So the location should be even, right? Good, very good. I like my machine. I have the confidence. I have enough confidence to promote our block machine to the market. Even the customer who is from United States or from Europe, you know, the Europe standard is more higher, right? So even some customer who is from Europe or United States, we have enough confidence to promote our block machine to them, because actually speaking, in fact, our machine is good enough. It's good enough. Just like what I told you, we designed these 4 pieces of the space column, the space spring reduction. Yeah. So with this 4 pieces, one, you see this one, and another 2, yes, 2, and the third one, and this one, fourth one, right? This with the 4 location of this material cut, you know, with this kind of a spring design, it can, you know, reduce the material cut, the load onto this channel, because this channel, all the time this channel have to afford such huge wearing from the material cut, because the material cut have to, you know, have to run on it. Yeah. So this channel, this run channel, is produced with the heat treatment with special the steel, so it will last a long time. Yes. Okay. Over here is the back view for the block machine. Yeah, back view. So, and also for the block machine, you have to fill about 200 milliliters hydraulic oil inside the hydraulic tank. And over here, it's better for you to fill to be 80% of this tank, of this the total volume of the tank. And even for the sensors location, we have already fixed the sensors on a correct location before we deliver the block machine out from our factory to the clients. So as long as you produce the different blocks height is same, so there's no need for you to do any adjustment for the sensor location. But sometimes if you try to produce a lower height of the block of the different blocks, you have to do a bit adjustment for the screw. Maybe you lower down. You have to low down the screw, and you know, also sometimes this sensor just release the screw and make it and adjust it down a little, maybe 5 millimeter, according to the height of the blocks. So I think you know, if you have interest and try to get the valuable videos, you know, you can go through my channel. That's more useful and guideful, and guiding the videos for the customer to follow and try to install and you know, to adjust your block machine by yourself. So it's very big touchable to my heart after I check the blocks the produce out. That's from my QT6 block machine. I feel so happy. I feel so happy because just now I you know, made a video call, a video stream call with a customer who is from Bahama, and after he, you know, a while we produce our blocks, and you know, with her by the video call. She feels excited after he checked the blocks he's produced. So now he's asked me to send her a pro forma invoice with a good price. So she's planned to make the down payment for her order very soon, maybe next week. Yeah. Okay. Our team tried to measure try to measure the blocks one by one for each measurement. Try to make sure the mold is fabricated correctly. Okay, my friend. Again, thank you so much for your valuable time and your patience to watch my video again. Okay, I want to say goodbye and you have a good night. Okay, if you have any different idea, you try to leave your comments or leave your suggestion on my videos. I will, try my best to reply you as soon as possible, timely. Okay, thank you so much again. Okay, please remember to subscribe my channel firstly, and so that you cannot miss any updated videos. Okay, bye bye.